In general, the art completed in Japan from Muromachi period to Sengo period has the general tendency to condense the whole working of the universe to one ultimate point and to find the expression of beauty there. Tea ceremony is typical of them. Atmosphere in the tea ceremony room became tenser, and its clean and quiet space was full of the dense spirit, and on the contrary, the tea ceremony room was to get an infinite spiritual spread. The host boils the water, prepares tea, and offers it before the Buddha, and then recommends it to the guest and drinks it himself finally. To express the heart of Buddha in the series of manna was the heart of tea ceremony. Indeed, Rikyu's thought was that the manner of tea ceremony itself in the narrow tea room was the training process of Buddhist law. There is also alive the thought that we sense the manifestation of the truth of the universe in our own acting, and we find the self that is alive in harmony with the great rhythm of the universe. As the spring exists in the grass growing from under snow, one of the essences of Japanese art is the way to express the inexhaustible in having nothing, in other words, to leave only the most important point and to condense the infinite there. It is shown as it is in the tradition of tea ceremony, too. Probably it could be called the ultimate symbolism, which tries to symbolize the life of the universe in the ultimate reached by repeating omission and by repeating denial. As well as tea ceremony, flower arrangement which has been completed from Muromachi period to Sengo period, also bases on the same principle. Especially, rika, that is, a style of putting flowers in a long and narrow vertical vase, began with offering flowers to Buddha from the beginning. The flower offered in front of the Buddha was object to which a divine spirit is drawn for connecting the heaven and the earth and for Buddha's staying. Buddha is welcomed by offering flowers to, and people and Buddha are united in the offered flowers. Rika is not to arrange the beauty of flowers. The essence of flowers lies not in full bloom's glamour, but in their life alive in the great nature. It is Rika that expresses the life of flowers living in the great nature in a shape. Rika should arrange the flower's life. Through Rika, the great nature and the universe must appear. Therefore, also in this case, repeating omission of the unnecessary and repeating condensation must be required for the ultimate abstraction. In the late Edo period, Ikenobo Senmyo finally completed one flower arrangement with 3½ leaves. Therefore, the unchanged essence of the art in Japan that intends to pursue a pure form, to concentrate the universe on one point, and to reach the ultimate goal, seems to work and appear here, too. The art in Japan has intuited the life of the great nature even in a small flower that blooms in the field, and has watched the entire universe even in a drop of dew. When flowers bloom, the spring comes and the spring blooms in the flowers. The sound of wind passing through pine trees, the sound of water flowing through valley, the voice of birds flying in the sky, the voice of insects crawling the earth and so on, all these things in nature are the expression of the true life of the universe. All things are working to appear in the universe, and the universe is working to appear in all things. All things are the appearance of the life of the universe and represent the truth as it is.